Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about AC Infinity's automatic spray bottle. It's got a 2-liter capacity. I saw these come onto AC Infinity's website. We love their products, and we were pretty curious to see what AC Infinity was doing when these arrived. So we brought a few of them in to check out and evaluate for you, and here's what I'm seeing. All right, looking at AC Infinity's specs here, we've got a 2-liter capacity. When we first busted these out of the box, the first thing I saw was the quality. The quality of this bottle, I can't believe they're selling this at $29.99. It comes with a little USB charging cable. It's got their little manual, of course, but when you take this out of the package, the one thing I could say, when you hold it, you feel the quality. When we compare this to your typical spray bottles, you know, the ones we've used, pressure pump sprayers, we've got your standard pressure sprayers, your trigger sprayers, all of these we've used them for a long time, but man, if you've used them on a lot of plants in a larger grow or even a couple plants, you get tired of this. You get tired of this. If you over pressure compensate on one of these pump bottles, you break the seal. They never work the same. So let's get right to some of the talking points of the AC Infinity automatic spray bottle. First thing we noticed when I took it out of the box, I like that it's got a 2-liter capacity. 2 liters, you can cover a lot of spray. A lot of plants, a lot of coverage area. It's a good size. The next thing I noticed when I took this out of the box was just the handle. It's solid. It doesn't twist. When AC Infinity came out with this mold, they made it strong. I mean, as a customer, if I was using this day in and day out, this thing has the stuff to work every day for you. It's got a single button function. Quiet, just seamless. Strong motor, quality. That's all I could say. It just works. So the next questions you may have is what can the AC Infinity bottle handle if it has an electric spray motor? And I was pretty impressed when I was looking at AC Infinity's notations for applications. This thing can handle plain water. It can handle alcohol or disinfectants. It can handle oils or even liquid nutrient feeds or fertilizers. So when you're talking about a bottle that can handle pretty much anything you're mixing into it, and I don't mean anything as in don't mix mud into it, but what I'm saying is alcohol, disinfectants, we've got oils for pest control, we've got foliar applications. The spray bottle will do it all. The other thing that I like about this too is the price point again, $29.99. You sit here and you bounce it around. The plastic itself, if you were to drop this on the ground, it doesn't feel like it's going to shatter when you compare it to these types of bottles. Our rigid bottles that we're all used to in the industry, the standard pressure pumps, they're a cheaper plastic. They're not this. This is going to last. So my final thoughts on the AC Infinity motorized spray bottle is it's definitely a buy. This is something we're going to be using in our store. I'd use it in my home. There's a million uses for it. It covers everything. You know, they have the bottle available in Frost or Graphite, or as we like to say here, white or gray. If you like this product, I definitely recommend checking it out. You can find more details in the product description down below at gardensupplyguys.com. Be sure to like or subscribe to our channel. We're just getting this going, so tune in because we're going to be making a lot more unboxing videos. If you like what you see, comment in the section below. Tell us what you'd like us to make a video about, or ask us questions about anything, because we live, eat, and breathe this industry. We do it every day and we love it. So tune in again. We hope to see you soon. GardenSupplyGuys.com.